Daddy. Jeffy, what do you want? I was wondering if I could go in the bathroom and say my pee-pee in the toilet seat. Jeff, you have the hiccups. The hiccups? Why? I don't know. They just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that. I can't help it, Daddy. Well, then go over there and do it. I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, we have to get rid of those hiccups. Just hold your breath for a really long time. Hold my breath? Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore. Hold your breath. Just keep holding your breath. Oh, you breathe. Jimmy! Jimmy, breathe! You can breathe, Jimmy!
Here lies Jeffy, an innocent kid that died because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
That can't happen. Jimmy, come on. CPR. Oh, you're alive, Jimmy. Thanks, Daddy. Your hiccups are gone, Jimmy. Okay, that's how I call a doctor. He's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't say they're annoying. Okay, Daddy.
All right, what's the emergency?
Okay, my son has hiccups.
You call the doctor for hiccups? Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy. Sarah, stop hitting me. Oh, he has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not a hiccup specialist.
What, there's a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I know one.
Well, can you call him? I really need him.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him. Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist. It's me.
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
No, they are not.